Hello again. Let's talk about something that is funky that happens when you start to create a page, but you don't actually finish creating that page. You haven't published it, you haven't saved it. You're thinking, I didn't create the page. I just started to, but I didn't officialize it, right? Well, it leaves some mess in the system when you do that. So especially if you're doing any administration in the future, looking at things, looking at what pages you have. For example, by default, you can see that Microsoft includes pages as a navigation link right there. So you can easily reach that if you have left that in there. I often don't because it just depends. What you want to be in your navigation is going to be what you want your users to be able to access easily. So if pages is one of those things, then great. But a lot of times you have people working on a lot of variety of things and it's not for everyone. So it just depends. But in this particular case, I've left it at the default, and that takes us in here. Now notice this messy little J343B2J3. That is a page that I did not finish creating. I just clicked new, and notice the difference. I am actually in the page document library, so it offers me site page or link as an option. If I was in the home page, I would find just page there. So if I click this and I say, okay, let's see, I'm going to do visual, create page. No, I'm not going to publish it. I'm just going to go back to the home page here, however I want to do it. And we will see, I'm thinking, okay, I didn't create a page. Well, you did create a page in the creation process. I didn't publish the page, right? But I look in pages, and there's another messy RRC1DRH. So it's just sitting there waiting for you to finish it. It's not available to the public, and depends on the level of access someone has as to whether or not they will see the mess here in your pages library.